There, right there. Oh, that is bright. This is off. Hey. On. I've got a special delivery, and no, it's not PR, it's TikTok. You know how everybody was doing share your link and you could get this much money? Well, I got 80 bucks. I only got to redeem $50 for this batch, but I got some good stuff and I wanted to show you what I got it, especially if you're a content creator girly. Please stick around because I feel like this will benefit. That's a winner. I don't know. Let's see what's next, because the thing is what I'm most excited about in this order. Confused about how it's boxed up. You won't have to see boxes. Take a quick guess. Let's see if you're right. I'm gonna box this one because you're gonna know what it is after I unbox this one. So I think this is giving me instructions, but let's be real. Who reads instructions? Just me. I don't know. This is what I got. Boom. Now, right now, I use this one, the Alex Earl light, which we all know. We all love her. She's great. Like, look at this. No light. Light. But imagine this one, like, look at the comparison, baby, and this is bigger. So I'm so excited to use this one. Let me put this light back on so that you can see me. I'm gonna still use the Alex Earl light, but I'm gonna use this one in the back to give me that extra light. And I might just put it on and plug it in this video just so that you don't have to wait for another video just to see how it looks. Really quickly talk about why I like this one. One thing is very obvious, it's the size is very large. The second thing that I love about it is that it does not require batteries. You just plug it in the wall, and I love that. I love that you can plug it in the wall, because the thing about Alex Earl light is that I have to record a video and then I have to plug her in so that she charges and just hope that she doesn't run out of battery, which I don't really normally run out of battery, but it's just that thought that, okay, I gotta plug her in. I gotta plug her in after every video that I film before I film the next video. Not with this one. Alex Earl decides she wants to go on vacation, she wants to take a break, then I'll just pull her out. I don't know what her name is. We'll pull out Big Mama and she will have our back. Now I can turn my camera around real quick. Use her, so I have this ring light and then, hey, that's me. And then I have the Alex Earl light, but that little ring light does not do much. Ring light is there for moral support, and I know it, but she's been with me for so many years that, you know, I still bring her into my recording room. She's about to change the game. Figure out how I can plug her in so I can just show you. The box that we talked about is the tripod. I'm gonna put that back in because I don't have time to set this up. When my husband gets home, we'll have him set it up. Like, babe, can you please set this up for me because you love me? I just plugged her in. I haven't turned her on yet, but one of the issues that I'm finding is that the cord is not very long. No problem, because like I said, I don't have to worry about the battery dying. So once I get her clicked in and on the tripod, we should not have an issue. But right now, the problem that I'm having is very good with the length, but I have to kind of go that way to click it on, which is not a big problem, honestly. And I think with this button, oh, there, right there. So did it make a difference? Oh, that is bright. So this is what it looks like on, but let me just turn the camera because it's kind of hard to show you what it looks like when I can't even turn it on. So this is off. Hey. On. Okay, I can't see if it's making a difference. It's just you, girl. So you tell me what it looks like, and when I rewatch this video, I will see what difference it makes. Off. On. I am excited for this light. I do think it's going to make a difference. I love that I don't have to worry about charging it. That is all that I got today from TikTok Shop. I'm so excited this delivery came through, and I do think that this is something worth checking out if you're a content creator. I think it's 22 bucks, I want to say. I don't have enough followers, so I can't link anything on my TikTok. Close to 1,000 followers though. So if you are not a follower, please consider giving me a follow to get to the 1K, and then I can start linking these things for you so you don't have to be looking everywhere for it. I have a bunch of stuff for content creators that I just want to leave a little link to make your life a little simpler. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.